Boho chic is a style that is very reminiscent of the hippie or bohemian look. It's been popular for quite some time now, and it seems to have gained in popularity with regards to home decor. Before we begin, please check the description area first. There are listed links to original project and tutorial that exist in this video. Here, DIY boho chic decor ideas that add charm to your home. 1. DIY Birchwood Tealight Holder. This Tealight candle holder is made from a birchwood ring and it is absolutely gorgeous. This one is pretty easy to do and it is free if you happen to have a birchwood ring and the Tealight candles to use. 2. DIY Fabric Scrap Garland. This fabric scrap garland is the perfect way to add some chic bohemian charm to your home, and it is so easy to make. This is the perfect project to upcycle those leftover fabric scraps, and you can hang them with twine, rope, or whatever you have on hand. 3. DIY Shabby Boho Mirror. I love this mirror. It has a gorgeous color and the flowers and pearls just really make it perfect for adding to your boho chic decor. This is also a great one to add to your coastal decor. 4. Boho Chic Jewelry Hanger. This boho chic jewelry hanger could possibly be the easiest thing that you have ever made. It is perfect for holding all of that bohemian or gypsy themed jewelry, and it's made from a piece of driftwood, so it's basically a free project, too. 5. DIY Boho Chic Jewelry Tray. These boho chic jewelry trays are so easy to make and they make the most wonderful gifts. If you need something for the holidays, or any special occasion, these are perfect. 6. Bohemian Inspired Decoupaged Trays. These trays are perfect for adding that touch of bohemian inspired decor to your home. They are also really easy to make. If you love decoupage projects, then this one is for you. 7. DIY Decoupaged Gypsy Chair. How utterly adorable is this chair? I love the bohemian look in furniture, and this one is perfect for adding that little bit of decor wherever you need it. You can do this with an old wooden kitchen chair, and decoupaging it is so easy. 8. Chic DIY Flower Chandelier. This flower chandelier is gorgeous and it is really easy to make. You will need several dozen flowers, along with a few floral supplies and an embroidery hoop to make this one. 9. DIY Kilim Rug. This DIY Kilim rug is super easy to make and gives you so much room for creativity. This would be perfect in the entryway or kitchen or anywhere you wanted to add that little bit of boho charm. 10. Gorgeous Bohemian Doily Lamp. Have you made anything with Mod Podge and a balloon? It's such a fun and easy process, and it's the technique that you use to create this lovely Bohemian doily lamp. 11. DIY Hanging Macramé Chair. If you have ever done macrame, this chair will be a breeze for you to make. This is a great way to add some boho chic decor to your home, and you get a really comfortable chair from it. 12. DIY Inspirational Clip Garland. This is possibly the easiest boho chic decor that you could make. This clip garland is just a piece of rope or twine with some of your favorite things clipped onto it. 13. Easy DIY Branch Photo Mobile. Here is another great way to display your favorite pictures in bohemian chic style. Just grab a branch from the front yard and use it to hang your favorite images in Instagram style. 14. Easy DIY Macramé Wall Hanging. Macramé is a gorgeous way to add some boho chic style to your home, and it is a fun and easy craft. This wall hanging won't take you long at all to make, and you can hang it wherever you want to add some extra style. 15. Boho Mason Jar Lanterns. Here is another beautiful boho decor idea that uses mason jars. With a little paint and a few embellishments, you can turn a plain old mason jar into a beautiful lantern that is perfect for decorating any room in your home. 16. Easy Patchwork Boho Curtains. Turn ordinary fabric into the most beautiful curtains for your kitchen or anywhere you want to hang them. These patchwork curtains have such a gorgeous boho look to them, and they are super easy to make. 17. Boho Hanging Mason Jar Lanterns. I love mason jar home decorating projects. They work with so many different design schemes, including the Boho Chic style. This DIY hanging mason jar lantern project is super easy and adds so much charm to your home or front porch. 18. DIY Canopy Bed. You can make this gorgeous canopy bed for under $20, and it is perfect for adding boho chic style to the bedroom. You make the canopies from PVC pipe, which is really inexpensive. Once you have the canopy done, (19) DIY Susanee Covered Ottoman. Turn an ordinary ottoman into something that looks like it stepped out of the boho section of your favorite department store with just a bit of work. 20. Test Tube Chandelier. A few test tubes and some imagination are all you need to create this gorgeous test tube flower chandelier. I love the colors, and you can do this in any number of color combinations.